Good morning students. You all are welcome to today's online class. How are you students? Are you happy? Yes, isn't it? Shall we start the today's class students? Today we are going to continue the yesterday's continuation. Let's start the class. All of you take your note and book students. Yesterday we learned the consistency and inconsistency of linear equations, isn't it? What is consistent and inconsistent? Consistent means it has unique solution and infinite number of solution. Inconsistent means it has no solution, isn't it? Today we are going to learn the continuation of that, okay? First today's example 3.56. What is the question now? Find the value of K for the following system of equation has infinitely many solutions. Here two equations given. First one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Second one is k plus 2 into x minus 2k plus 1 into y is equal to 3 into 2k minus 1. Solution let us do. Let us write the given equations. Given two linear equations are first one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and the second one is k plus 2 into x minus 2k plus 1 into y is equal to 3 into 2k minus 1. These two are the given equations. It is in the form of, this given equation is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and the second equation we can take it a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 2, a1 is equal to 2, comma a2 is equal to, here in the second equation x near we have k plus 2, comma b1 is equal to minus 3 and b2 is equal to, from the second equation y near we have minus of 2k plus 1, minus of 2k plus 1, and c1 equal to, here constant term 7, c1 equal to 7, comma c2 equal to 3 into 2k minus 1. What is the condition for infinite number of solution now? Do you remember? For infinite number of solution we consider what is the form yesterday I taught now? Condition for infinite number of solution. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here what is a1 we have 2. What is a2 we have k plus 2 is equal to, what is b1 we have, what is b1 minus 3 by, what is b2 we have minus of 2k plus 1 is equal to, c1 is 7 divided by, what is c2, 3 into 2k minus 1. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here to find the, what is the question? No, find the value of k. So to find k, any two term enough to equate. Okay, any two, either this two term or this two term. Okay, first let us to take this first two term, that is 2 by k plus 2 is equal to minus 3 by minus of 2k plus 1. Here this up and down minus is there, can be cancelled. Now cross multiply it. Let us cross multiply. So cross multiply it. 2 into 2k plus 1 equal to 3 into k plus 2. Here 2 into 2k 4k plus 2 into 1 2 is equal to, multiply here 3 into k 3k plus 3 into 2 6. K term take it one side. So 4k, this k term bring it here. So this plus 3k term when we are taking here, this become minus 3k, which is equal to, here 6 is there. Take this plus to this side, it will become minus 2. So 4k minus 3k is equal to 1k. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now let us take the next two terms. Let us take this two terms. Okay. So we get minus 3 by minus of 2k plus 1 is equal to 7 by 3 into 2k minus 1. Minus minus up and down is there, cancel it. Then cross multiply it. 3 into this term, 3 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 7 into 2k plus 1. 7 into 2k plus 1. Multiply 3 into 3, 9 into 2k minus 1 is equal to 7 into 2k plus 1. That is 9 into 2k is 18k minus 9 into 1 is 9 is equal to 7 into 2k is 14k plus 7 into 1 is 7. So let us take the k term on side. So 18k, bring this 14k to this side, it will become minus 14k is equal to 7. Minus 9 bring here, it will become plus 9. So 18k minus 14k is 4k is equal to 16. From here k is equal to 16 divided by 4, we get 4. Okay. Therefore k is equal to 4. Understood, students? The next question is example 3.57. What is the example 3.57 now? Find the value of k for which the system of linear equations 8x plus 5y is equal to 9, comma, kx plus 10y is equal to 15 has no solution. So if you know the condition for no solution, what is the condition for no solution? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Using that condition, we are going to find the value of k. Given linear equations are are 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and kx plus 10y is equal to 15. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. It is the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 8, coefficient of etc. 8 comma a2 is equal to k and b1 is equal to 5 comma b2 is equal to y near value 10 and c1 equal to this constant term 9 and c2 equal to this constant term 15. So the condition for no solution, For no solution, we know that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Therefore, here a1 by a2 we have a1 is 8 by a2 is k is equal to b1 is 5 by b2 is 10 is not equal to c1 is 9 by 15. So let us take these two terms to equate. Okay. So 8 by k is equal to 5 by 10. Cross multiply it. 8 into 10 is equal to k into 5 is 5k. So 5k is equal to 80. From here k is equal to 80 by 5. Divided 1 5 is 5. 16 5s are 80. Therefore k is equal to 16. Understand, students? The next question is exercise 3.14. First question. What is the first question now? The sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit is 110. If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sums of the digits of first number. Find the first number. What is the question? The sum of a two-digit number. So, two-digit number has two digits, ones digit and tens, is it? So, let the tens digit be x and the unit digit be y. Two-digit number has first digit and tens digit, is it? Unit digit and tens digit. So, let the tens digit be x and the unit digit be y. Okay. Let the tens digit be x and units digit be y. Therefore, the number is tens digit is x, so 10x, and the unit digit is y. So, the number is 10x plus y. Okay, two-digit number. So, 10x plus y. If the digits are reversed, means interchanged. If the digits are interchanging, means in place of x, y, in place of y, x. Digits are interchanging. So, it become x plus 10y. Okay, digits are interchanging. What is meant by this? So, the tens digit be y and the unit digit be x. Okay. If the digits are interchanged, therefore, the number is, so in place of interchanging means tens digit be y and the unit digit be x. So, the number is x plus 10y. X plus 10y. Equation number 2. From the problem or by given sum of these two. Okay, 10x plus y plus x plus 10y is given 110. Okay. Sum of a two-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the two digit is 110. Sum is given 110. So, sum of these two. First it is 10x plus y. After interchanging it to become x plus 10y. Both we are adding time, it is equal to 110. So, the condition we can give 10x plus y plus this one equation number 1 let us give. So, 1 plus 2. Okay. So, plus x plus 10y is equal to 110. Add it till 10x plus x is 11x plus y plus 10y is 11y is equal to 110. So, 11 is common all the time. So, let us divide it by 11. Divide by 11 we get, divide by 11 all the times we get x plus y is equal to, here 110 by 11 is 10. Equation number 3. Again by given, what is the next condition now? If 10 is subtracted from the first number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digits of the first number. What do you mean by this? 10 is subtracted. First number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y minus 10 is new number. 4 more than the 5 times the digits of the first number. 5 times the first number means 5 into x plus y. 4 more than means we have to add 4. Listen carefully. By given, what is the second condition given now? If 10 is subtracted from the first number. So what is the first number? 10x plus y. From here 10x plus y is the first number. From here 10 1 to subtract is equal to, the new number is 4 more than, means 4 need to add plus 4. 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digit. 5 times means 5 into sum of the digits of the first number, means only digit is x and y. So x plus y. Understood this concept? From here 10x plus y minus 10 equal to, multiply this one, 5 into x, 5x plus 5y plus 4. So here only constant term keep it here, remaining all the terms bring it here. So it become 10x plus y. This 5x bring here, so it become minus 5x. Y term bring here minus 5y equal to, here 4 is there. This constant term bring here minus 10. When you take here it become plus 10. Now 10x minus 5x is 5x. Y minus 5y is minus 4y is equal to 4 plus 10, 14. Equation number 4. What is the equation number 3? 3 implies x plus y is equal to 10. Third equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Let us multiply this equation 3 by 4. Why no? If you are multiplying by 4, here 4y will get the fourth equation. This two equation we can solve by elimination method. We can get the answer easily. Okay. So equation 3 into 4 implies, so 4 into x, 4x plus 4 into y, 4y is equal to 4 into 10, 40. Okay. It is equation number 5. Now take the equation number 4 here. 4 implies 5x minus 4y is equal to 14. This two equation we are going to simplify. It is equation 4. Add 5 and 4. Adding 5 and 4 we get 4x plus 5x, 9x. This 2 will get cancelled. 4y minus 4y 0 equal to this 4. Add it, sorry, this 2 add it. 40 plus 14, 54. So 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9. 1 9 is 9, 6 9 is 54. Therefore, x is equal to 6. We have to find the one digit, we got it. Both the digit we have to find out. Okay. So put x is equal to 6 in any one equation. Equation number 3, let us take 3. What is the equation 3? We have x plus y equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. So in place of x we have to give 6. 6 plus y equal to 10. Here y is equal to 10 minus 6. Therefore y is equal to 4. First number is, they asked the what is the first number, that is our question. First number is, first number is, what is the first number? 10x plus y, is it? 10x plus y. What is the x value we have? 6. What is the y value we have? 4. Okay, so we can find the 2-digit number, is it? So that is equal to 10 into, in place of x we have to give 6. Okay, 10 into 6 plus in place of y we have to give 4. What is 10 into 6? 60 plus 4. Okay, which is equal to, what is the total? 64. So what is the answer? What is the 2-digit number? Is it? What is the answer? 2-digit number. Therefore, the 2-digit number is 64. Therefore, the 2-digit number is 64. Did you understand, children? What is given? Sum of a 2-digit number and the number formed by interchanging the digit. Okay, so 2-digit number has 2 digits, that is tens digit and unit digit. Unit digit we have to take x, tens digit we have to take y by interchanging. First tens digit we have taken x, unit digit we have taken y. After interchanging, x will become y and y become x. So the number changed into x plus 10y. After that, by given 2 condition given, first 10 we have to subtract. After that 10, when we are subtracting, the number become 5 times more than the sum of the digits of the first number. So it is 10x plus y minus 10 is equal to 5 into, more than 4 means 4 we have to add here, into x plus y. Okay, so here multiply. After that, simplify, you get 5x minus 4y equal to 14. From here, equation number 4 we can give. Now, third equation if you take, by solving any one value we can eliminate, so that x value or y value we get. Okay, so that here equation 3 we are multiplying by 4, so that we are eliminating this y term. So x value we are getting. Okay, understand, children? These are the today's portion. Thank you, students.